Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Doro 8100. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Doro. Then on Oppo, use all of those categories at the top. Select multiple files to transfer, and when you finish, hit Send next to selected. Over here. Then tap on Got It and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and tap on Receive button to connect. If you wish to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait again. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!